Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SSO login with Okta for AWS, full guide step by step. Start by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Applications section from the side menu. Click on Add Application to begin the setup. In the search bar, type AWS and select Amazon Web Services. Click on the Add button. In the application settings, provide a descriptive name for your AWS application. Scroll down to the Sign-On Options section. Select SAML 2.0 as the sign-on method. For the single sign-on URL, input your AWS SSO endpoint. This information can usually be found in the AWS Management Console. Next, input the audience URI, SP entity ID, dot. This should be your AWS account ID or the specific application identifier. Ensure that the default relay state is left blank unless you have a specific redirect URL. Now, move to the Attribute Statements section. Add attributes to map Okta user fields to AWS. Typically, you will need to add first name, last name, and email. Each attribute should be set to use the corresponding user profile variables. After entering the relevant attributes, scroll down and hit the Next button. Review your settings on the following page. Make any necessary adjustments before clicking Finish. After finishing, you will be directed back to the application page. Here, locate the Sign-On tab and click on it. Copy the identity provider metadata URL. Now, switch to your AWS Management Console. Log into the AWS account where you wish to enable SSO. In the AWS console, navigate to the IAM section. Select Identity Providers from the sidebar menu. Click on Add Provider to set up a new provider. Choose SAML as the provider type. For the provider name, input a recognizable name for your SSO setup. In the Metadata Documents section, paste the Identity Provider metadata URL from Okta. Save the settings after reviewing all details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.